Welcome. In this module, we're going to take a look at a demo for Qualys, which is one of the leading cloud-based vulnerability scanning tools. And it's well beyond just a vulnerability scanning tool. It has many other additional features as well. And globally, this is recognized, meaning Qualys is recognized as a leading tool, which is used for scanning and vulnerability assessments and policy compliance and many other features. So let's have a look at how Qualys can aid in the security hardening process. Now, as you can see on the screen, this is a screenshot from the website of Qualys. And the important thing to show here is that for all users who go to their website, there is a free trial, and there's a red button on the right side, on the top right side, which you can see. So there's a free trial for all users, and you simply have to fill out a form, and you can use many of the features or a complete set of features for Qualys online. So all of those students who are in the process of learning about vulnerability management and want to learn about this tool, this is a great opportunity to go ahead and avail the free tool available on Qualys website. Now, this is a screenshot when you log in into the main screen after you will get access to the free trial. So there are about 5 or 6 icons on the screen, as you can see: vulnerability management, policy compliance, PCI compliance, which is a payment card industry standard. That's a standard used for security in the payment card industry with credit cards and debit cards for Visa and other companies. And then we have web application scanning, and then finally Cert View. So this is the home screen, and we're going to click on the policy compliance button. Now, when you click on the policy compliance button for the first time, this is the screen that you will see. And there are about 5 buttons. You see 3 of them right now. And on the top, there's a menu. You see dashboard, policy, scans. And the main menu items, which you can see in the middle of the screen, are add IP addresses to scan, configure the scan settings, and then configure authentication. And if you go ahead to the next part, which is the lower 3 or the lower 2 or 3 menu items, they are start your scan number 4 and then build a policy. So let's move ahead and see how this will go. But it's important to also show you the help items and the how you can learn about Qualys and how you can learn about scanning. So if you go to the help button, which is on the top right side, there's 3 or 4 menu items here. There's an online help, there's resources, and then there's training. So if you go to the online help, there's under policy compliance, there's a huge menu, and there are a number of resources here. And you can look at scans, policies, reports, and you can look at other menu items on the left side. So it's telling you here, as you can see on the screen, you may not be able to read this, but there are recommendations for your first scan, what you can scan, how often you should scan the complete, what to scan, how do I identify host to scan, and then there's a complete guidance here, which people who are scanning for the first time or new users who are learning how to scan or use vulnerability assessment tools, they have a complete information portal here on so that they can learn this. Now, if you go into the resources menu under the help item, as you can see, there are some additional items here, and there's a number of resources: using a scanner appliance, cloud agents, get started with your applications, and a quick tour, an evaluator's guide, and all of the features of Qualys are also available over here. In addition to that, as you can see on the screen, there's also under the training menu, under online help, there's a training menu, and if you click on that, there are 3 further options: video library, self-paced training, and instructor-led training. So if you click on, for example, the video library, you will be taken to a new screen, and under Vimeo, Vimeo, as you know, is a portal for videos. There's a lot of videos in which you can learn about policy compliance and about scanning and policies. So Qualys is an excellent tool and is rated as one of the top global tools with detailed online help, training, and resources to aid the new user. And in the next module, we're going to have a look at how we're going to exactly go ahead with the scan on the Qualys account. Thank you. That's all that we have for this module.